Hey guys, what's up? Elders, TopTradingReviews.com. Today is the 28th of February 2019. Let's get started. So, today is the last day of winter, so let's welcome the springtime. Hopefully we'll get, better weather, and in England it's kind of cloudy and dull. The last few days it was kind of nice, so I didn't make a lot of scam reviews. I was kind of enjoying the weather a little bit, since we don't get a lot of it in UK. And yeah. Anyway guys, how you doing? So the EasyTradeApp, I'm gonna start off by showing you my trades. So these are my 4 trades. All of them are in the profit. Euro USD was in the minus maybe 1 hour ago, but now it's in 40 euros in profit. So at the moment it's 838 euros in profit, and I have 2.3k at the moment as well. So hopefully these all close, and eventually we're gonna build up our accounts to 3 grand again. What I want to show you today guys is just some client feedback. I was speaking with the clients, on Facebook, on messages, like on email, whatnot, and seeing who's been profiting. There was this one client who built his account from $250 to around nearly $900, and then he lost it all because he made a mistake, and I will show you now. So here's this guy. I'm not gonna show you his full details and whatnot, but this is my Facebook page, as you can see. And basically he explained that he's built his account to $898 US, and now he's depleted to $45 US. And why? He made a huge mistake by clicking the trade button again on EasyTradeApp, even when his trades were already running. And that's what you need to, guys, make sure of. You don't need to do these silly mistakes, because these mistakes can, bring your account balance to 0, and that's not what I want you guys to do. So obviously, if you want to contact me, facebook.com/toptradingreviews or toptradingreviews@gmail.com, and ask questions. And I'm always, trying to help everyone. It's sometimes hard because I get a lot of questions, but I do reply to all of you guys eventually. And I just don't want you guys to have the same faith as this guy. He was doing very well, nearly a grand balance. He was all happy, thankful that I was guiding him, and then bam, he made this mistake. He kept trading when I said have one trade open with a bigger lot size, then have 10 to 20 trades open like with small lot sizes. It just doesn't make sense. You won't be making a lot of money ever. Obviously, if you have like my account, I can have 4 trades open, plus I've been trading for a while, so I know what I'm doing. But if you haven't been trading for a while, you guys need to seriously, just trade one trade and build your account slowly, and speak to me. You can talk to me whilst you're building your account. This is just one of my clients. There was another client I spoke to, as you can see over here. Oh, thanks, I profited this trade. Now I told her to close it because it wasn't very sure, but she's profited $130 as well on the EasyTradeApp. And there's a lot of clients that's been doing like that, that's been speaking to me, asking for a little advice if they're not sure. And if you're not sure, you can always contact me. You don't need to be on the EasyTradeApp and you don't know what you're doing, and then deplete your account, and then blame all the world that you're not connected with other people. You're not talking to other people that have been profiting with the software. So that's what you guys need to be doing. I said I try to help everyone, so it's your choice. If you want to speak to me or not, you can do, as I said, facebook.com/toptradingreviews or toptradingreviews@gmail.com. Facebook is much easier for me, by the way, anyway, but email is fine as well. Okay, so I want to play some trades. As I said, EasyTradeApp is very easy. You don't have to, go into much detail. But if you're like unsure of what to check, let's say NZD/USD now, obviously it's indicating to go up. So let's have a look. Let's go on the dashboard, and let's type in NZD/USD. If it stops lagging, there we go. NZD/USD. Right, so it's fallen now. It's fallen drastically, but this does not mean it's gonna keep falling. Why? Because look, if we go in this right angle, look, this is a support zone. As you can see, this green candle, there was a wick over here. It's like a middle support zone. So this could mean, as you can see, the wicks are going up. So there is some pulling pressure, pulling up. pressure to be going down. So, you know, this trade seems okay, you know. And what we need to do is just go on the martingale again and then go, let's say 0.30, since my margin is not very big anymore, since I have 4 trades open. 0.30, let's go, 140 pips, SL 68 pips. By the way, SL always above 40 pips. Don't go with like, I don't know, 30 pips or something. SL, it's not good. SL always above 40, 50, 60, 70, it's all good. So NZDUSD, let's do 0.30, click trade. Oh, I didn't click on the automated feature. It obviously comes up with this page. It's not gonna place the trade straight away because I didn't click on the automated switch, but it doesn't matter, you know. You can, you know, do this, and you can, as you can see, 68 pips, you can do 80 pips, let's say SL, and then what you want, maybe 100 pips profit, you know, and then click trade. Open position, buy NZDUSD. The position is open, as you can see. Stop loss and take profit is over there. It doesn't matter, you don't need to change the pip values. I just wanted to show you guys that you can do if you want to. Obviously, if you click on this switch on auto trading button, the auto trading button will literally put everything on there and place the trade for you. You won't need to do anything at all whatsoever. So, you know, we place one trade, we got 5 trades open. I'm not sure if I'm gonna place another one unless I find another good trade. Let's have a look. GBP USD, let's have a look at GBP. We haven't traded for a while. That's an interesting trade. It's totally going up now, but it's, what happens is after a push to up, it's gonna always have a pullback. So this is the little pullback at the moment. It's probably gonna pull back to the previous support. As you can see over here, there was a lot of things going on over here. If we just mark it a little bit. All right, this is a kind of big zone, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, there was a recline over there, touch, you know, went back, then it touched, as you can see over here, it went back with the green candle, broke out, touched again, went back down, touched again, went back down, and then it broke out. As you can see, this zone 132915 is a very big zone, and as you can see, there was a lot of touches and going off. Obviously, it's breaking now, and after break, there's going to be a pullback. As you can see, this wick was going down, and it pulled back a little bit, but now the price is pushing back up. So it's probably breaking this area of resistance. And it's become the support, because obviously if a resistance is broken, it becomes support, and support becomes resistance, the same way. And yeah, so we actually, this trade seems all right. So obviously we found the support and resistance, and it's kind of breaking at the moment. There's also another thing you need to look at. Actually, I forgot. Let me quickly, GBP USD. So another thing you need to be looking for GBP USD is actually the timer. So if this is the daily chart, but you can go on the 4-hourly chart and see if it has broken on the 4-hourly chart. So let's have a look. As you can see, the resistance over there was on the daily, and it just was a touch. But now, as you can see, these candles were broke, and as you can see, this zone, this blue zone, is now broken with a candle. With this green candle, obviously it's now touching back, but now it's pulling back again. And this just confirms that in 4-hourly chart, it's broken. It's broke the support, and which means that on a daily, if on a daily it's gonna close with this candle over here, which it did, and this is the new candle, it's probably gonna be a pullback. A little pullback till, as you can see, the pullback was till 132627 level. And if it pulls back again, it's the perfect time to trade. I'm gonna trade it anyway, since I believe it's gonna be a call, and it's gonna go back up and then probably go down and then go back up again. That's what's gonna probably happen. So while explaining my techniques and what you guys should do on GBP USD, I totally missed this trade, and now I can't find it. So that actually happens as well. So you need to be kind of, you know, swift and quick to analyze, you know, your charts. However, if you usually the trades stay there for a while. However, you know, if you do miss it, don't worry about it. Just don't stress. Just analyze something else, and eventually, once you analyze the support and resistance lines and everything, you know, matches to what you're thinking, to what the signal is saying, you should place the trade, and you're gonna be profiting. Trust me, that's what I've been doing all this time, and I've been teaching my clients as well. Obviously, if you speak to me, I might just go a little bit in depth in this video, because it's hard to explain everything in the video and think of what I need to say straight away, since I don't write any scripts. I just, you know, kind of go with the flow with these videos. So yeah, I placed these trades. You know, I talked a little bit about what you should guys be doing. The GBP USD trade is probably gonna carry on going up. It might be a pullback, you know, to, so it might be a pullback to here, let's say this level, and then we, you know, select another, and it might go up again, since it's breaking this resistance line. And that's what we're expecting GBP USD to do. Also, guys, make sure to look at the economic calendar. So if we go on here, the fxtrade.com/economic calendar, we always want to look on the economic calendar and trade prior or after 30 minutes of the news happening. So let's say if the news happened 13:30, we want to place a trade on 2 p.m. or 1300. That's the time to place it. If you're already committed and place the trade, don't close it. We don't want to close it. We want to, you know, leave the trade running through the news, through the volatility news. If you have the SL level, you know, above 40 pips, you should be fine, and you should be not kicked out from the market. That's why I don't recommend you guys to, you know, do the classic methods. Since the classic methods, SL is 18 pips, and you can get kicked out very quickly and easily. Also, guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. It's very soon, actually. Probably, let's say 4th of March. That's when the giveaway starts. So have a look at the video once it's 4th of March. You know, it's gonna be regarding the EasyTradeApp and what we should expect. And there's gonna be a lot of events. I wanna, you know, communicate with you guys a little bit more and reward you guys with who's trading the best. You know, who has maybe the best comment or the funniest comment, something like that. You know, so we kind of engage a little bit more, and I want to see, you know, this top trading reviews become a little family more than anything else. If you guys want to be profiting with me, use the link in the description below. The EasyTradeApp registration is there. 250 minimum deposit. You can invest more due to leverage is much better. If you have a little bit bigger account, you can, you know, place a bigger lot trades, which means more money. Also, guys, if you want to connect with me, as I said, toptradingreviews@gmail.com or facebook.com/toptradingreviews. I also have an Instagram if you want to follow me, Top Trading Reviews. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, leave a YouTube comment as well. Like this video, subscribe, and yeah, take care, guys. Have a nice day and goodbye.